Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Zengo. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then you can see a menu bar on the bottom of your screen. Click on the middle of your menu bar, then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. There you can see a buy option. Click on buy. From here, search Bitcoin, or you can see Bitcoin in popular option. Click on Bitcoin. Then from here you can buy your Bitcoin. Choose any method that you like for purchasing your Bitcoin. Depending on your chosen payment method and regional regulation, Zengo might require additional verification step. This could involve ID verification or proof of address. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with finalizing the purchase. Zengo will process your payment and credit the equivalent amount of Bitcoin in your Zengo wallet. Then you will receive Bitcoin in your Zengo wallet. Again, go to the middle of your menu bar. Then click to send. From here, choose the Bitcoin that you have bought and enter the details of your address on where you want to send your Bitcoin. Verify your transaction, then your Bitcoin will be sent. This is how you can buy and send Bitcoin on Zengo. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.